Hi guys, welcome back. Let's sharpen a blurry image in Photoshop. So let's say we have this blurry image of this moon. I took this picture using a short lens. So in the original picture, the moon looks small and I had to enlarge it. And then the moon gets blurry. So let's make it sharp. Let's say you have a picture, drag it into Photoshop and then double click on it and then click on OK to make it editable. And then afterwards, hit the Ctrl and the J keys twice to duplicate the layer. Afterwards, make this one inverted by holding the Ctrl and the I keys, just like this. And then change the blending mode to vivid light. And then head over to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Our main goal is to make the image detailed. So we're just bringing out the sharp edges of the surface of the moon, just like this. You can adjust the levels by dragging the slider so that you get the sharpness for the moon's surface the way you like. And then when you're done, click on OK. And then let's group it. Select these two layers by holding the Control key and then hold the Control and the G keys to group it. And then change the blending mode into overlay. Now that's sharp. Now, there's this detail on the moon, just like this. Pretty fancy, eh? That's how you can sharpen a blurry image in Photoshop. Just as easy as that. It works for any picture. Thanks for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.